When it comes to living longer and living better, most people are searching for a magic bullet. But the truth is, optimizing longevity and extending health span isn't about hacks or quick fixes. It's about building a system, a set of habits that keeps your body and mind running smoothly for the long haul. So let's break it down into 3 powerful steps. Step 1, lifestyle health. This is your foundation. Think of it like building a house. You want solid walls before you decorate. Here, I focus on optimizing body composition, getting enough quality sleep, and making training a non-negotiable part of my week. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting the basics right. That means dialing in the right amount of calories and balancing my macros, protein, carbs, and fats, so my body has everything it needs to perform and recover. Sleep is my superpower. I treat it like an important meeting with myself. And training, I aim for both strength and cardio, not just for looks, but for function. Step 2, prevent chronic disease. If I want to enjoy life for decades to come, I can't ignore my brain, my heart, or my immune system. Here's what I do. I fuel my brain with nutrient-dense foods, like fatty fish, berries, and dark leafy greens. For my heart, I keep moving and watch my blood pressure and cholesterol. And I don't underestimate the power of daily sunlight and social connection for my immune health. It's not just about avoiding illness, it's about building resilience. Step 3, go deeper with a functional medicine lens. This is where longevity gets personal. I pay attention to gut health because a happy gut means a happier, healthier me. I work on balancing my hormones by managing stress, staying active, and getting enough rest. It's about small daily shifts that add up, like mindful breathing, taking breaks from screens, and filling my plate with colorful whole foods. In the end, real health isn't found in a pill or a quick fix. It's about systems working in sync, day after day, month after month, year after year. If you want to optimize your longevity and extend your health span, start with the basics, build on them, and then refine. The journey isn't about living forever. It's about making every year count, feeling strong, thinking clearly, and living with purpose. I'm in it for the long haul. How about you?